Hello friends, in this video we are going to update a record. So let's start the tutorial. So here I'm going to update this record, right? So here I'm using the edit one. So I have opened the model, right? So in edit one, so let's check which form they are submitting, update one. Okay. So super admin organization update. If I go to the controller, what we have done, let's check, right? This is update one, update profile, update organization. Let's check in the web. For the update route, we have update organization, right? So in the super admin, we have update organization. So we are requesting everything, checking everything is the same process, validating. If validator fails, then it will the same. And also we are again email validator, minimum that unique users we have, else it will return. Then we are again checking the logo, the same one. Then after that, we will getting all the array one. Then we have the function that is called update, and it will take the parameter and update it successfully and return it with the message. Simple. Previously we have the user where create we have added, like user create. Here we have to passing which record you want to update with, what the parameter we are passing, and with the ID, with the particular unique ID that where we want to update all the data, right? So let's check. I have already added with this one. I'm taking this one, Rajnikant. Setting one. We don't have the logo right now. Let's upload another logo. So this one, just update. Organization built successfully, and the logo is coming, and my organization name is changed. Right? Simple. I hope you will understand exactly what we have. Just you need to pass with the update one. I will show you the model also. Right? I haven't show you, like, this is all done with the help of the model. Model you need to write everything over here, like just passing the variables. So this can be done using this you need to pass to save the data. If you are not passing what the data you are saving, then it will give you the, you are always stucking, like, I am sending the data, why it's not saving, why it's there, it's not saving. So you need to pass it over here. Without passing it, it will not take the parameter, and it will not update the data, or it will not set the data. So this is very important, right? Somewhere I have also stuck in my career. So I think you should take care of that before inserting that. If the data is not inserting, some parameter missing, check front end, all the data values come, then check model. After model all set, then definitely you are on the right place, and it will data will be inserted into the database, or updating the database correctly, right? So hope you understand how to update the data in Laravel 8. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.